Hey, Happy New Year, people. Happy New Year 2020. Hope you're all having a blast. Hope you're having a good time. And I hope you're also doing a New Year's resolution, like everybody does. It's like a routine or a tradition. So this year, one of the things I am bent on doing is that I don't really want a New Year's resolution, but I want to cut off all the negative people in my life. What do I really mean by I'm cutting off negative people? There are so many of us out here that we have visions, we have a purpose, we want to achieve certain things in life, and you cannot really do it because there are some people in your circle, they are always so negative. They're always telling you, oh Bella, you cannot do this. Maybe you're trying to tell them, oh, I want to start a business, maybe I want to do this, maybe I want to travel, I want to start doing something beneficial to you, just because they don't really see it yet. They are so negative. They discourage you. They never support you. They are always the ones saying the negative things that you cannot do. They are always the ones, pointing fingers at you, telling you that, hey girl, you know what? You can't do this. This thing is not good for you and all whatnot. It's New Year. It's time for you to cut those people out of your life. Out of whatever gives you joy, whatever gives you happiness, whatever gives you just whatever thing that makes you happy, that gives you peace. And these people cannot just support you. It's time to block them, cut them off. It doesn't matter if they are so dear to you or not. Such people are like leeches. They are always in your inner circle, always in there, saying negative things, always the ones taking the false rumors and all whatnot. Say, oh, I don't think this thing is gonna work. Guess what? It's 2020, people. 20 is like a double 20s. So 2020, it's high time for you to block those people out, block them out of your vision, block them out of your inner circles. Guess what? Before you knew them, you were leaving. Now that you've known them and they are not contributing anything good or positive in your life, guess what? Kick them out, and you will be able to live your life that you want. You will live your life that you live the life that you want to live. You'll be able to do the things you want to do. You'll be able to pursue the visions. And guess what? When you let those negative people out, the real people will come in, because those negative people are occupying space in your life that they do not deserve to. So guys, it's 2020. Block these people out. Start living your best life. Until next time, it's Bella, and it's always a pleasure having you on board.